Imagine waking up to money in your account every day from the content you create. I use this exact framework for all of my channels, even the faceless ones. And because of that, I generate passive income every month. If you're ready to learn how to turn your YouTube channel into a consistent income stream, I'm about to show you exactly how to do that. And if you want to fast track your success and get personalized guidance, check out my YouTube Success Accelerator coaching, link in the description. The first step is to find your niche and make an impact. You can start by picking something you're passionate about. For instance, online business or music or crafting. Then you want to focus on your target audience's struggles. When you create content that helps solve their problems, you build trust and start making a real difference in their lives. This is how you turn your viewers into loyal followers. Step 2 is to turn your knowledge into products that people want. You can create digital products that provide value, whether it's an ebook, a guide, or a template. Make it something people can actually use to make progress. Then link it in your videos and start generating and collecting passive income. The very first digital product that I created was clarinet sheet music for my music channel. This was 6 years ago, and I still make consistent monthly sales. If this resonates with you, type passive in the comments. The next step is to share your knowledge and get paid for it. High ticket coaching is about offering people the shortcut to their desired outcomes. You're not just selling time, you're selling results. You can charge based on the value you provide, and people will line up to work with you. One of the main ways I make money on my gaming channel is by having people book sessions with me to help them improve their gameplay. I help Rocket League players rank up and improve their mechanics. This just proves that there's money to be made in any niche. The key to growth is consistency, so keep creating content, keep improving your products, and keep offering value. The more you show up and serve your audience, the more you'll see growth. It's all about staying consistent and providing value over time. This is not a way to get rich quick, but rather a way to build a sustainable business. Now look, I get it. It can be overwhelming trying to figure this all out on your own. If you're serious about turning your YouTube channel and business into something that works for you, let's make it happen. My YouTube Success Accelerator coaching will help you get there much faster with personalized strategies that actually work. And like I said before, I use this framework for all of my channels. And yes, that includes the faceless ones. So click the link below to book your session and let's take your growth to the next level. See you in the next one. Peace.